Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roger. In the video today, I'm going to share with you 10 tips to use WhatsApp more productively. Now, for the most part, most of the tips will be more so on the privacy side. Alright, so I hope that you'll watch it through until the end. Let us jump right into the video. Tip number one is that we can actually now determine who it is who can see our profile picture. To make that change, go to settings, then account, then go to privacy, then profile photo, and then you would select my contacts except. So that would give you the feature to be able to deselect who it is who cannot see your profile photo. Tip number two is that there's a feature in WhatsApp which enables us to make messages disappear after a specified period. To do so, you need to go to your contact, that is the person that you want the message to disappear from. Then go click on the person's name. Then you're gonna go to disappearing messages, and then from here you can select when you want the message to disappear, after 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or you can choose to disable the feature. Now, tip number three is a feature which enables us to be able to share our location. So you may be linking up with somebody and you want to share that location with the individual or individuals. To do so, you're going to go to the person you want to communicate with, then you're going to click on the paperclip, and then you're going to select location. Now, of course, for this feature to work, you'll need to turn on GPS and location in your settings. Tip number four is a pretty much cool feature in WhatsApp, and it is one where you can send a message to somebody but have it configured so that they are only able to view the content once. And in addition to that, the content cannot be shared and it cannot be saved. Now, to do so, you want to go to the person that you're going to be messaging, and you're going to open a chat. You're going to click on the paperclip, select the image that you want to send, for instance. I'm going to select that, and then here, this number here, let's see if I can position this so I can see better. All right, so there it is. So click on the one. All right, so it says video set to view once. So when I send that, what it means is that when the recipient receives that, the person will only be able to view that image once, and it will not be able to be saved, nor would the person be able to forward the message to anybody else. Next, for tip number five enables us to be able to determine who it is that we communicate with the most, for one, yes, and also, who it is that we would share the most amount of information with on WhatsApp. Now, to access that feature, you want to go to settings, and you want to go to storage, then go to manage storage, and then from here, if I scroll down, I'll have a list of the persons I would have been communicating with, and also it would show the person at the top of the list would be the person that I would have communicated with in terms of transferring the most files with. And you can also delete those messages that persons would send you, those files that persons send you. You can delete them from here. For tip number six, sometimes persons just arbitrarily add you to a group, and oftentimes you may not want to be in a group. Now we can actually determine who it is who is able to actually add you to a group. Now to make that selection, you can go to settings, then go to account, you're going to go to privacy, and then you're going to scroll down to groups, and then from here you can select who it is that is able to add you to a group. Tip number 7 is the pin feature. How it works is that there may be that person who you communicate with quite a lot and you want to have access to that account. The pin feature allows us to pin that person to the top of our WhatsApp chat. Now to do so, you want to locate that person in your WhatsApp chat, and then you're going to click on hold down, and then from the menu here, options here, you're going to select the pin here, click there, and now that person will be pinned to the top of the WhatsApp chat. Tip number 8 is the broadcast feature. Now you may want to send messages privately but to multiple persons. You want to do a broadcast. To be able to do that, you click on the 3 dots here, and then you're going to go to new broadcast, and then from your list you can select the persons that you want to message. Tip number 9 is a relatively new feature in WhatsApp, and it is where we no longer have to depress the microphone button when making voice notes as we previously had to do. So to send a voice note, simply click on the microphone, slide up to lock, and now it is being recorded, and the message, the voice note can actually be paused. You can do a playback, and when you're finished, just hit the green button there to send. Let me add too that to play back a voice note, you can actually speed it up. So here to the left of the message on the left hand side, you notice we have that 1x. If you tap it, it will play the message 1.5 times the speed. Tap it again, it will play it twice the speed. So it actually plays faster than the normal rate. And finally, for tip number 10, WhatsApp now enables us to be able to send files of sizes up to 2 gigabytes. Can you imagine? Yes. So, no more headaches, no more of those headaches that we used to have previously when, we were restricted to much smaller file sizes. All right. So that concludes the video. Thank you again for watching. Please remember to like, share, and to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. Again, my name is Roger. Catch you again in the next video. Take care.